Hey, welcome back to the channel. So, this is a Chinese recoil starter for Husqvarna 55. I bought this for the Project One. It's kind of garbage. I actually have pretty good luck with Chinese stuff, but this, I'm gonna see if I can fix it because I wouldn't mind a spare one. But for that, saw a viewer, Ted in Colville, Washington. There, he's gonna send me. He sent me a OEM one, which is awesome. I'm trading him for a couple of ported mufflers for Husqvarna 55, and then to make him a fart box for his steel 038 Magnum, I think his is. But anyways, we'll take a look at this. I'll show you what the issue is here. I was fighting with this so much. See if I can, there we go. I was fighting with this yesterday, trying to get that little video of the 55 running. Didn't have much time to tune it because it kept stalling out and the starter broken. Well, obviously that causes an issue. Okay, so see if I can make it do what it's doing. There we go. The spring is slipping off whatever's in there. I've never had one of these apart. So we're going to take a look at this and see if we can make this work. Let's try and change the angle here a bit. Okay, now it's just a Phillips screw. I have the camera in front of me, obviously, so I can kind of... I look a little awkward. That's because I'm trying to look through the camera and not at the same time. Okay, so... that just keeps slipping. I don't know why. Maybe it just wasn't tight enough. They greased it. That's surprising. There needs a little more hook there. I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to try tightening up the screw a little more. See if that helps. Like I said, this is just going to be a backup because I'm getting an OEM one here that Ted generously sent me. See, he's got a... where he is, he's got a Husqvarna dealer. And like the dealers here, they don't... if you're looking for used stuff, they're really not that helpful. Like, they just want to sell new stuff. It's nice that he's just got a dealer that's a little more willing to help people out. Okay, I'm just gonna try and wind this up and see if that did the trick. I'm guessing it's probably just going to do the same thing again. Yeah. So it's slipping off that spring. So what can we possibly try here? I'm thinking I might try and put more of a hook into the spring. Very carefully, because I'm not going to take it out and heat it up, which you actually should do if you're bending a recoil spring. Or any spring in general. So, pop that out. So I'm going to put a pair of needle nose pliers. So I think what I'm going to do is just try to bend that a bit more, if it will. A little more than that. Okay, we're going to try this. Might work, might not. I wonder if not, I wonder if I can put like take the Dremel and a fine carbide burr and like make a little pocket in there for it to sit in. There we go. There's the washer. Where's the screw? There it is. Try this again. If that's the only issue there, that'd be alright. But I don't know. Sometimes I guess Chinese parts aren't worth it. Sometimes they are. Like I said, I do have good luck with them, typically. Okay. At least this kind style starter is actually really nice and easy to have to rewind. Let's see if no, same Same thing again. No. I don't know. I'm not going to really put much effort into this. I mean, I don't know what the deal with it is. Maybe I should have put a hook in it. I don't know. Sorry, this video's kind of dry, but I'm going to take the Dremel and try to make a little pocket in there. I'll pause you guys for that. Okay, so you can tell I kind of just nibbled that out so it's more of a kind of a pocket there, hoping that holds a spring in. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. If this doesn't work, yeah, I'm just going to kind of abandon this thing because it's, I mean, I don't even know why I'm bothering. I actually only paid like $12 for this stupid thing, but the thing is, if you buy the more expensive ones from China, they're probably exact same garbage. I find the Chinese aftermarket stuff's fine if it's for a saw that they clone. Like if you go to buy a starter for like a Husqvarna 372, it's alright. Actually, I've got one on my Chinese one on my Husqvarna 61 because they clone the at 272. It's actually perfectly good starter. Nothing wrong with it. Okay, so let's wind this up again. Fingers crossed. I mean, I'd like it to have a working spare. Nope. See, I think part of it is like, look how sloppy that is. That's probably the biggest issue there, is how sloppy it is. I don't know what to do about that. I really, for the Husqvarna 55, I would honestly avoid buying a Chinese one. Maybe this one's just a dud, but there are OEM ones on eBay and stuff, and they're around, so. Anyways, take it easy.